How much should you actually spend on LED grow lights? Because you see people raving about the cheap ones while others swear by the more expensive options. The reality? Price doesn't always equate to quality. Product number 1. Barrina T5 Grow Lights. First up, we have the Barrina T5 Grow Lights, priced at just $28.89. The sleek black casing caught my eye right away, and it's a bestseller with a 4.6-star rating from over 6,900 reviews. If you want a reliable solution for indoor plants, this is worth a serious look. This LED grow light strip is designed to replace sunlight effectively, providing a full spectrum at 5,000 K. What's great about this is that it consumes only 20 watts while delivering the brightness equivalent to 120-watt traditional lights. Over 95% of this light energy is absorbed by plants, which is crucial for their growth stages. Plus, the ease of installation really sets it apart. You can link up to 16 lights in a series, making it perfect for larger setups. Now, some users did mention that the cord length could be a bit short for their specific setups. Here's the thing though, if you plan your installation and have some extension cords handy, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create a compact indoor garden without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something more powerful for larger plants. For the price, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the cord length was a concern for you, this next one might offer a different approach. Product number 2, Barrina T5 Full Spectrum. Next, we have another contender from Barrina, their T5 Full Spectrum Grow Lights, going for $28.79. Like the previous model, it's also a bestseller with a solid 4.6-star rating. If you want high efficiency in your indoor garden, this is definitely worth your time. This 1-foot LED strip offers a similar 5,000 K full spectrum light and is also energy efficient, using only 20 watts. The best part? It has separate switches for each light, allowing you to control how much light your plants get based on their needs. This feature can be a game changer for managing energy use and plant health since plants require different light levels at various growth stages. Some users pointed out that the installation might feel a bit tricky for first-timers. But honestly, with the included clips and ties, most people find it quite manageable once they get the hang of it. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in controlling your grow lights. Skip it if you're looking for something that's plug-and-play without any setup. It's a solid investment for those wanting efficient lighting solutions. Alright, that was a strong option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're looking for something more compact. Product number 3, Briignite LED Grow Bulbs. Now, let's talk about the Briignite LED Grow Light Bulbs. These are priced at just $8.53 for a pack of 2. With an impressive 4.6-star rating and over 16,400 reviews, these bulbs are a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to dip their toes into indoor gardening. These A19 bulbs provide a full spectrum light that mimics natural sunlight. They're perfect for a variety of plants, from tomatoes to leafy greens. Consuming only 11 watts, they offer the brightness of a 100-watt bulb, making them super energy efficient. Plus, their high light transmission ensures your plants absorb light effectively, which is crucial for their growth. However, some users have mentioned that these bulbs can get a bit hot after extended use. But I'll be real with you. As long as you don't place them too close to your plants, this shouldn't pose a significant problem. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy, budget-friendly way to enhance your indoor garden. Skip this if you need something more specialized for bigger plants. They provide excellent value without taking up much space. Now, if you're after a more comprehensive growing system, this next product might pique your interest. Product number 4, Ahop Garden Hydroponics Growing System. Moving on to something a bit different, we have the Ahop Garden Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System, priced at $50.38. This is a solid option for those wanting to grow herbs and vegetables indoors with a touch of technology. It has a 4.6-star rating and 3,200 reviews, which shows how well it's received. If you want to take your indoor gardening to the next level, this is worth considering. This system includes everything you need: a water reservoir, an overhead LED grow light, and a circulation system. What's great here is that you can start growing right away with minimal setup. Just add seeds, water, and nutrients. The light mimics natural sunlight and has 2 modes for veggies and fruits, which is essential for optimal growth. Some customers have expressed concerns about the size of the water reservoir. It might not hold enough water for larger plants. Honestly, this is more suited for smaller herb gardens or countertop setups, which might be a deal breaker for some. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one indoor garden solution. Skip this if you're planning to grow larger plants that need more space. It's a fun way to grow your own food indoors. Now, if you're looking for something more compact with customizable features, check out the next product. Product number 5, Aocrian Plant Grow Light. Lastly, we have the Aocrian Plant Grow Light, priced at $25.99. This one caught my attention because it's not just a grow light. It also has a stylish design. With a 4.5-star rating and 3,400 reviews, it's popular among plant lovers. If you're looking for a stylish solution to boost your indoor plants, this might just be it. This grow light features 48 LEDs and offers 3 different lighting modes, plus 10 brightness levels. This makes it versatile for various types of plants and growth stages. The height-adjustable pole allows you to customize the light distance, which is essential for optimizing growth conditions. Some users did mention that the setup could be a bit cumbersome, especially if you're not used to adjusting plants' heights. But honestly, once you find a right setup for your plants, it becomes pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish grow light that works well across different plants. Skip this if you're looking for something that's purely functional. Overall, it's a great value for those wanting a mix of aesthetics and performance. So there you have it. We covered the Barrina T5 lights, both the 1-foot options, the Briignite LED bulbs, the Ahop garden hydroponic system, and the Aocrian plant grow light. Each product offers unique features catered to different needs, whether it's energy efficiency, design, or functionality. Whatever your indoor gardening goals are, one of these lights can definitely help you achieve them.